Okay, so I'm carving time out of my schedule today. I'm gonna make this happen. Right now, I have one item available on my website. The bat necklace is available. It is ready to go, but it's also springtime. And I'm trying to sell my first piece, and I think that's gonna sell a lot better come fall and winter when I started that project. But I really want to move forward with another project that I started, and actually, you guys loved it on YouTube. I put the sketch up of my honeybee ring, and that one did really well. Got a lot of views. So, and I think the timing for that would be perfect if I can get it made fairly quickly. We'll see how that works. Still kind of getting all the gears moving and the momentum going on that. But, the toughest part's been just, I have so many paying projects to do. It's hard to make time for this stuff that technically isn't paying yet. I'm trying to get it there, but it's not there yet. But today I'm committing. I'm cutting part of my schedule out. I've kind of caught up with a lot of my other jobs, and I'm carving out time. I'm going to make this happen. And yeah, I'm really excited to see where this is going to go. I've been dying to do this piece because I think it's going to be gorgeous. I really do. Man, I can't wait to do it. But let's go. We're doing this today. Okay, that was a little more difficult than I was expecting. Before I build the CAD model, I have to lock down exactly what stones I'm going to order because I don't want to build the CAD model around stones that I can't actually get. And that can be a real problem in this industry. But I found some stones. I found what I'm looking for. It took me a lot longer than I was hoping. It was a lot harder to find what I was looking for than I thought. But I found something that I think is going to work really well. I'm looking at using yellow lab sapphires, which I think are going to be beautiful and high quality stones. Go really well with that 18 karat yellow gold. And it's something that I can get over and over again, so I can make more than one of these. So, found the stones. Got it figured out. Now it's time to build the CAD. Let's go. Okay, so I didn't get this done as early in the day as I was expecting to, but I got it done. I probably should have been cooking dinner, but whatever. This is what I wanted to get done today. I wanted to get the stones in and really get the halo piece done today. There's definitely some work. It's not turning out the way I want. I think I'm going to need to adjust the sizes of the halo stones, the little guys around the outside. Either make them bigger or smaller so it kind of all fits together better. But I think that's some pretty solid progress for today. I think that's pretty awesome. I can keep dialing that in a little bit later and keep marching on with this.